just got off of a call with the rest of the fishing gang last night, and we were talking about a Fourth of July special for the Big 250. So here's what we're gonna end up doing. If we didn't already explain this in the intro, we're gonna be making a firework. So Pearson talked about his plans of making some, he calls it a pothole maker, which is pretty much a big old thing of sparklers and it like blows up or something. I don't know. Which is really stupid. Alright, we just went to Lowe's and they already lost. We got 2 PVC pops. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut them into 50 shots. These guys are cooked. This is gonna be the biggest firework anybody has ever lit off at my house. Okay, we got all of our stuff cut, but now it's time to paint the American flag on this board. This is where all the pipes are gonna go. And we also have, we're gonna make it 40 shots. And we're gonna find the biggest, most loudest shells we can at our local fireworks store. Here it is. It's not perfect, but it's the American flag. God bless it. I got my pops, and I got some heavy grade sandpaper, and we're gonna sand these down to make sure they're straight, so that they don't explode and aim at Pearson. I might leave one not sand. Oh boy. So what you just saw there was a brutal failure. And we actually did a second test after that one. We took it out into the fairway and we lit it. And I forgot to record it, but it didn't even make it out of the pipe. And then back down, and then it exploded. And shrapnel went everywhere. I'm not exactly for sure what to do now. We're gonna figure it out though. Here's what happened. It got, to be fair, we shot off one of these, and these don't exactly fit inside of them. The ones we're planning to get are gonna be bigger and should fit snug in there. Anyway, it got stuck in the pipe, and it exploded. Be careful with fireworks, because if it can go through a PVC pipe, it can go through your hand. So it's been a minute since I gave an update about the firework. PVC pipes won't work because they're too brittle, and under all that pressure, it would explode, as you saw earlier. So instead, we're gonna use a different solution. We're still gonna use the PVC pipes, but we can't launch shells out of them, unfortunately. But we can do this. Our safer option is going to be bottle rockets. Are they lamer? Yes. Are they suck? Yes. But are they safe? Also, yes. But in order for the bottle rockets to actually fit in the pipe, we're going to have to cut them down at least a little bit. Right here, it's probably pretty good. So here's the fun part. We have to cut this fuse. I did not have enough time to get fuse cutters, is what you're supposed to use. And if you don't use those, there's a pretty good chance that it'll probably spark up and light. But I'm a professional. So we have a wood here, metal here. So since they're both not metal, it won't spark, hopefully. That's at least what I was told to do by the people. That's a pretty clean cut. So now we have to use these fuse connectors. These will, connect the fuse. It's in the name. So here we go. We're all wired up. So at this end, we're gonna light this. It's gonna go in here to light that. It's gonna keep on going to lighting that. I'll see you doing the test now. So it's the big day. Big day of the Big 250. And we didn't test fire it. It'll be fine. We're just gonna go with it. Because, the few times that we did test it, it was fine. So we're gonna go ahead and just go ahead and do it. So what we have here These are the other ones I was talking about. These are gonna fit snug. See if we can see that. They'll fit snug right in here in these tubes. And these are gonna be at the very end. So all of our big ones will go off and then that one. Pretty simple. We finished the firework. By me, I mean me.
Yo.
And I have Pearson here.
Yo.
That's his catchphrase. Yeah. It really was a great 4th of July. We had a lot of fun. Pearson and Hogan showed up. Keegan didn't because he's a bum. But it's time to get to the final finale of our show. The one I've been working on for a whole month. And the one I've been narrating to myself about this whole month.
Oh, shootings. No way. Oh, this thing's good. No, it's out.
Over here.
It got put out. Look at that dumb sprinkler. That just came on. Is there still the fuse?
Let's go like the next one. There you go. Can you pull that one off? Yeah.
All right. Yeah!
Yeah.
I like this game.
Oh my, that went a little off track.
Whoa! Oh, no! The ground's all wet.
Oh. Come on, baby. Baby, go.
Dude, actually be quiet.
Oh. Is Uncle Jeff saying, that's my son. That's my son.
Whoa. Oh wow, I didn't know he did that.
Oh, the big one.
Oh, it's coming. Oh, is that? I feel like something happened. How long is this fire away? He must have spent a lot of time.
He spent so much.
Man, it's kind of.
I think it's a. There was one that didn't fire. It was almost a clean sweep.
Oh, that's kind of fun. Man, what do you have to say? What do you have to say?
Hey, did I win?
Shut up.
Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Go ahead and check out my other video, Pearson Come Home, and also check out our main channel, The Fishing Gang. That was a great performance by Braylon Jr. Mark 1, but next year's redemption year.